Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to fix this problem. Have an issue on our volume. We updated the computer, but we still don't. We got an update that won't bring any music, even if when we play anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the quick steps you follow to resolve this issue. You'll go to this PC here, and then you right click and go to manage. When you go to manage, you wait for it for a few seconds, and then to pop up this computer management window. So you go to device manager, then after you go down and scroll down where you see show about the shaking, where you see sound. So the problem comes in because we got the sound drivers which are not compatible with our system. So I want you to go ahead and look for something that looks like this that has audio. So this one is called Real Tech. Then I'm going to right click, and then I'll go ahead and say update drivers. So this process, you don't need any internet because you have already the drivers that were already on your PC. So here I'm going to manually select for the drivers. Then I'll go ahead and display this. So we have our high definition audio device, and then we have our new drivers that have disorganized our PC. So you don't need these drivers, and you can leave them there, but you can select the drivers up here, this one, then you click next. So after this, to give you this instruction, then you click yes, then to say successfully. Then after they will ask you to restart your computer, but I'm not going to do this, I will do it later. But it has worked, I know it has worked. Then I'm going to go ahead here and click first wave. So it has to give some noise here. So I'm going to go back again. I think I did not do anything very well. We go to browse drivers, pick drivers, double click on them. So they'll ask us to restart the PC. Then it has said successfully. Let me try, we wait for it to come back, as you can see. So our volume is back to normal. I can't play any music, but I can just do this because of copyright issues. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload this free video like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye. Don't forget to restart the computer so that the drivers can fully install. Bye bye. This is John, Son Dev, Galiwango John.